Hey everyone, welcome to Neolife. We're so excited to take you on a tour of our brand new world-class facility. Come check it out. Welcome to the main clinic floor. This is where our team of dedicated therapy professionals work hard to develop customized treatment plans that are tailored to meet your needs.
I'm Austin Baskin.
My name is Amber Wilson.
And my name is Jeffrey Hampton.
Alexis McDonald.
I'll give you one word: efficiency. We're all about efficiency, we're all about being optimal, and we're all about being on the same page when it comes to our interventions for the patients. I believe our team has really gotten to know each other over the past year. We understand that we all have our individualized treatment styles, but at the end of the day, we know that our goals are to make the patient feel better leaving, always keep their goals into consideration, and to keep on garnishing and developing our culture to ultimately serve the community and to maximize our outcomes.
Just a family with our patients, with our coworkers. I mean, I couldn't picture myself anywhere else. Everyone has a great dynamic and we're very family oriented, so it's really great.
First and foremost is the culture. It's one of the most important things, and I feel like it rubs off on patients. It gives them energy when they come in and out of this clinic. It's not a me, myself, and I mentality here, right? It's a big collaborative approach, and Neolife is one of the most amazing experiences that I've ever had. And I'm so thankful that I'm able to grow as a clinician, help patients in this wonderful facility.
With the aquatic therapy addition here at Neolife, there are so many benefits that can come from that. Pretty much any diagnosis, any type of patient can benefit from this. We like to make sure that we are family oriented here at Neolife, so we just want to make sure that the patient is as comfortable as possible.
It's a pleasure working at this state-of-the-art multi-million-dollar facility. It's been an honor. We have a bunch of new resources available to us.
It just makes it that much easier to be able to provide for these patients and give them the best results.
We all have great relationships with one another. We interact, we communicate well.
Space, equipment, services, and most importantly, the level and skill of our therapists is unlike I've seen before. So we have a high level of care. We set the standard when it comes to neuro-orthopedics.